Welcome. Infonomy is an iPad 10th generation, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so once your content is open and visible, you'll want to press power key and volume up at the same time. So just a single click, not hold. So I'm going to do that once more. You'll have this flash and this will disappear, or you get a pop-up which will disappear after a moment. So once it disappears, you can locate your screenshot in your Photos application. So it will be visible in the library as a last entry right at the bottom. You can see there are the two screenshots that I have captured. Hopefully you can also find it in, let's see, screenshots. There we go. So under the screenshots category, you will obviously find just screenshots that I have captured over the time. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.